Echolocation is a plant growth response which can be towards or away from a stimulus. The sunflower plant is a great example of phototropism as it grows towards the strongest light source. This particular feedback log works like this. The light is the stimulus, and then this is processed by receptors at the stem of the plant, and these receptors are made up of phytochromes. These phytochromes convert the visible wavelengths of light that are absorbed into the chemical compound known as auxin. Auxin promotes the elongation of cells in the shaded side of the sunflower. This means that if the sun is hitting the sunflower from this direction, then auxin will promote the elongation of cells at this shaded side of the sunflower. As these cells elongate and grow upwards, and this side of the sunflower remains the same height, then the sunflower will slowly turn itself round to face the sun. This is an evolutionary adaptation that the sunflower has evolved to have. That means that the sunflower can gain maximum absorption of sunlight. This means that it can grow to its maximum potential and also use this light for other life processes such as photosynthesis. So that is about the sunflower plant and phototropism. Next, Amber will tell us about that and echolocation.
Of an animal towards or away from the stimulus, which is directional. Echolocation, an example of taxis is echolocation. This is a biological sonar used by several kinds of animals. Echolocating animals emit calls out to the environment and listen to the echoes of those objects they return from various objects near them. Echolocation is used for navigation and for foraging. An example of echolocation in an animal is the bat. The bats use echolocation to navigate and forage, often in total darkness. They generate ultrasound via the larynx and emit the sound through the open mouth or the nose, but through the nose is quite rare. The sound travels through the air as a wave, and the energy of this wave bounces off any object that comes by. In this case, the feedback loop. The stimulus will be the noise, the echo. The detector will be the bat's ears, which have complex folds, a collection of complex folds that help to determine an insect's vertical position. The bat can tell how big an insect is, how far away it is, and if it's a rock or a moth or whatever. A smaller object will reflect less of a sound wave, and so will produce a less intense echo. It can sense which direction that insect is based on the pitch of the echo. If an insect is moving away from the bat, the returning echo will have a lower pitch than the original sound. This will then get processed by the brain, and the response will be for the bat to either fly towards or away from the object, depending if it is food or a predator. That's it.